Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You guys know the drill. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Today we are once again filming outdoors. It is a beautiful day here in South Texas. It's probably almost 80 degrees here and it's January. I love where I live. The climate is absolutely wonderful. It pretty much allows us to be outdoors all year round. So I have a basket full of new ColourPop products that I couldn't wait to try out. And the reason why I am filming this outdoors is because I am trying out a few of the new Soul Body dry oils and oil sprays and all that good stuff that they've been coming out with. And I really want you guys to see the shimmer here in the beautiful sunlight. So that's why we're once again outdoors. I got my jacuzzi going on in the background, and after this get ready with me, I am gonna enjoy some peace and quiet out here in the sun, maybe work on a little bit of a tan. So let's get started with the video. The first thing that I am going to do is of course prime my skin, and I just want to let you guys know I have SPF going on all over me, so I am already protected from the sun, but I need to protect my face, and I'm gonna go in with this new primer oil from Physicians Formula. This is part of their Natural Defense collection. I actually reviewed these products a little while ago on my channel. I will be sure to link the video up here so you guys can check that out. But this is just a basic primer oil and it does contain SPF, which is exactly what I need since we are gonna be out here for a good while today. Any leftover primer oil I have, I just kind of like to rub it into my hands. My hands get so dry this time of year, and especially in my cuticles. I just got a new manicure. What do you guys think? It's actually one of my favorite OPI colors. It's called Lincoln Park After Dark. It has been around for many years. Next, I'm going to go in with foundation, and for that I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Sticks. I have not tried this yet. This is the shade I picked up. It is called Light 50W. So let me start. Ooh, and it looks like it's gonna be a little dark for me, but you know what, maybe I'll pick up a tan today and it'll become my skin color. What do you guys think? All right, so I'm gonna use the It Cosmetics Love Is in the Foundation brush to kind of blend that out. I actually think it's not a bad color. It looks like, at least in the sunlight, it is blending really well into my skin. All right, so hopefully you guys can see that. I think it blended out really well. Good coverage. I would say it's like a medium coverage. Now I also picked up the new Pretty Fresh concealer. I think I got too dark of a shade. I really wanted to try this one. This one has hyaluronic acid in it. So I thought this would be really great for under the eye area, but I have a feeling I got the shade Light 45, which is supposed to be, of course, lighter than the foundation stick I just used, but I don't know, this looks like it might be a little bit dark, but we'll try it. It's gonna do, well, let me put it where I usually put it. I'm gonna take my little e.l.f. beauty sponge and blend that out. Actually, I don't think that the shade is that bad. I'm gonna actually apply a little bit more right under my eye. A little bit more right there. This feels like it sets down really quick too, which is actually not a bad thing. To set everything, I'm going to use a little bit of the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Powder. I'm just going to get a little bit on the tip of my beauty sponge and just press it in. I'm not picking up too much. I'm just going to do this all over the face. This powder does have SPF 17 in it, so it's the reason why I grabbed it today, since we are going to be outdoors. All right, now so that everything can mesh well together, I'm going to go in with the Bioderma Hydra Bio Mist. I really have been loving this mister. I picked it up at Amazon. Reminds me of the Evian water mist. Something similar along the same lines, but I actually think this is a little bit cheaper. I think this was like 12 bucks and the Evian is like 18 bucks or something like that. And here you get 10 fluid ounces, so not bad, from Amazon. Next, we're gonna go in with the new Coconut Beach Pressed Bronzer. Really love the packaging on this. This is so cute, and this is the shade. So I have not used this yet. I'm very, very anxious to try this out. It's very powdery, so be careful when you dip your brush in there. I guess I went in a little too hard, too heavy-handed with it. I would have loved if this bronzer had like a coconut scent to it. It came out with the coconut collection that ColourPop released not too long ago. I love the scent of coconut, so I was kind of hoping this would have a nice coconut scent, beach scent to it, but it has no scent whatsoever. Now I don't have a new ColourPop blush, so I'm gonna go in with one I just tried. This is the Unicorn Glow blusher, and I have the shade Peach Berry. I picked this up at CVS, and I'll leave the link to the video of my review over these products up here at the top so you guys can check it out. All right, let me take care of my eyebrows really quick off camera, and then I'll be back and we're gonna try some more ColourPop goodies. All right, now we're gonna go in with highlighter, and I picked up 2 of these Soul Body highlighters. These are also for the face and for the body. This one I think is the newest shade. This one is in Pink Champagne. Look at that sparkle, that's just beautiful. And then this one is a more platinum golden shade. This one is actually in the shade Platinum. I think I'm gonna go in with Platinum on my cheekbones. I think the sunlight kind of drowns it out a little bit. This has like a nice, like a coconutty scent to it. I wonder why the bronzer didn't. That's nice. It's not as intense as I thought it was gonna be. I don't know, maybe it's because it's in the sunlight, but... And it's not like chunky glitter either, it's shimmer. It's pretty. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Pink Champagne. Put some in here. Ooh, yeah, you can see that. I'm also gonna go in with those oils as well, so I'm gonna be glowing out here. For my eyes, I picked up the Smoke Show palette from ColourPop. I had been wanting this palette for quite a while. I'm gonna kind of just do a simple, easy look. I don't want to do too much today. I'm gonna apply Young Love all over my eyelid. Next, I'm gonna go in with Ignite, and I'm gonna work that in my crease. You can really see that highlight now, because it's just the way I angle my face. This sun is getting intense. I'm gonna have to hurry up with this eye look. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Starstruck, and I'm just gonna use my finger and pat that over my eye. Whoa, look at that. Wow, that's beautiful. Ooh, I can't wait to do an indoor look. Sit down indoors and play with this. I don't think I was expecting it to be that intense. Just gonna go back in with Ignite. Just in my crease. Now this is not the most precise eye look I've ever created. Just something quick and simple. We're outdoors. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Slated and just work that on the lower lash line. I'm gonna go back in with Starstruck and just work that on the inner corner. Wow, I'm a diamond out here. I hardly got any fallout with these shades. I love ColourPop eyeshadows. And they're so affordable, and you get really nice quality, good eyeshadow palettes. What do you guys think? I love it. I love the sparkle. Now I'm not going to do any eyeliner. I don't have a new ColourPop eyeliner to try out, so I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Essence waterproof mascara. This is the You Better Work mascara. Now for lips, I picked up both of the little lippy sets that came out with the coconut collection. This one is in the shade Shall We Dance, and let me show you the colors. I couldn't decide, so that's why I bought both little sets, because these are like really awesome neutral colors, and I love that it's a little crayon. So let me do, ooh, that's a pretty shade. This one is Nude Beach. And then this one is Island Time. The next set is called Coconut Kiss. This one is in the shade Waikiki. That's this one over here at the top. This one is Shaka. It's the one at the very top there. So I think I'm gonna go in with, let's see. I'm gonna go in with Waikiki. Well, maybe Shaka. No, I want some color. So I'm gonna go in with Waikiki. I know I'm gonna get so much use out of this. I'm probably gonna keep all 4 in my purse. Really nice, really creamy. Oh, I like that. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of ColourPop All-Star Setting Spray. Next, we're gonna go in with the first glow oil, and this one is in the shade Pink Champagne. And give it a good shake. You can see what it looks like there. Ooh, look at that sparkle. It has a nice, fresh, summery scent to it. Oh, I like that a lot. Oh, it smells really nice. Now, I also got Pink Champagne in the dry oil. So let me also give this one a good shake. We'll do it on this other arm. Ooh, that one's really running. You can see that. This one has the same beautiful scent. Actually, I think this one has... It's not the same. This one is, of course, way more runny than the glow oil. I feel like this one dries down quicker. Not that I feel like this one's sticky. Well, it's a little more, yeah, I guess you can, maybe has a little tackiness to it, whereas this one doesn't. So yeah, you do feel like this is more of like a hydrating, more of like an oil consistency, whereas this one, the dry oil pretty much dries down instantaneously. Both provide that beautiful sparkle. Now I have this other one. This is another dry oil, shimmering dry oil. I got the smaller version. This one is in the shade Platinum. So both of the oils, dry oils that I got, they do correspond with the Crest highlighter. So I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Oh, wow. I imagine these guys at the beach with your nice tan going on. Yeah, makes me ready for summer vacation. So this is what my legs look like with the Soul Body dry oil. This one is in the shade Platinum. Very nice shine, very nice sparkle going on. Absolutely love this. No, I'm gonna get a lot of uses out of this one, and this is a small size, guys. I think this would be plenty if you don't want to spend or invest in getting the larger ones. I would definitely try the smaller size first, and just to see if you're gonna like it. It's not for everybody, guys. Not everybody wants to be shimmery and glowy all over, but I love to. Whenever I'm gonna be out by the pool or at the beach, I love to put some of this on, and it just, you know, adds to the whole beach experience, I think. So this is what this one looks like. Alright guys, we have come to the end of the video trying out all of the new ColourPop products that I picked up a few weeks ago. I am a bright shining star out here. I am a diamond out here, and I am gonna enjoy my last day of Christmas vacation before I have to go back to work tomorrow. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here. You guys have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.